Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IGBOTIC nono, and in today's video we're going to be talking about cooking utensils, the things you have in your kitchen and what they are called in Igbo. So do stay tuned and learn.
Getting sick of all the small town talking.
Kitchen utensils in Igbo language. 1. Knife, pot, ite. Plate, efere. Spoon, ngaji. Cooking or cooker or burner, eku. Fork, ndugu. Mortar, ikwe. Pistol, aka odo. Pot cover, okuchite. Spoon, ngaji. Wooden ladle, eku. Cooking spoon, ngaji, ofe. Now we have to repeat all that we saw in the previous passage, so you know if you learned anything. So now I'm going to bring up the questions and you repeat them yourself. Repeat them in Igbo language. Yes, this is like an assignment. Spoon. Fork. That's to test your brain, yeah. You know if you learned anything. Cover pot. Burner. Wooden cooking ladle. Spoon. Hope you're getting them correctly. Cup. Knife. Mortar. Pistol. Pot. Plate. Sieve. Sieve is in your. I know I didn't mention it the last time. Sieve is in your. Tray. Efere ite mmiri. Frying pan. Ite eyemeye. Kettle. Ite mmiri ọkụ. Subscribe please. Yes. So these are the cooking utensils we have, and those are the translations in Igbo language. The other places I have question mark is for you to repeat everything I said and know if actually you understood or if actually you were able to remember the names in Igbo language. I told you we're going to be taking this Igbo learning step by step after step, or so that it goes swiftly for you and you don't find it much difficult to learn. Like I always say, you can always save this in your work letter and go and also find it visit them repeatedly and also try to learn what they said. I always encourage you guys by telling you guys I also have a language I'm learning, and I have most of these people I'm learning from YouTube as well, and I always save them in my work letter and I revisit them at my quiet moments. I memorize what I have learned. I try to give myself like a quick test, and the ones I feel I have forgotten so quickly, I still refer back to them and learn it. Yeah, that is why I keep saying save in your work letter so you find it very easily to revisit it. So these are the cooking utensils you use every time in your household. These are just what you use all the time in your household, and there is no way you wouldn't be seeing them all the time. When you cook or when you come back to your native land, it's always something that you use often to cook. So you always refer back to them. That is why I put it up. I think that is a very important video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I put up hard work in compiling this. Yes, it's my work, right? I should do it, right? Yes, but I need your support by subscribing to this channel and then watching this video as well. Hope you learned one or two, and please do have a lovely day. And that is just basically it. I'll be bringing more videos on your way. as time goes on, yes, I'll be doing even more videos because this is what I feel like doing and this is what I want to do, and I'm doing it regardless, and I'm happy about it. You understand? So I just need your own support by subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video